This is a demonstration for medical students on the topical application of ditronol. Ditronol is used to treat thick plaques of psoriasis. These lesions are mostly seen over the elbows, knees, scalp, and lower part of the back. Ditronol is a topical preparation that helps to control psoriasis by slowing down self-proliferation. Some ditronol preparations also contain other ingredients such as salicylic acid, zinc, and coal tar. Before using ditronol is not recommended for pregnant and breastfeeding patients. Ditronol is not recommended if plaques of psoriasis are inflamed or infected. Instruction for application. Before you start this treatment, read the manufacturer's printed information leaflet from inside your pack. The leaflet will give you more information about applying ditronol and a full list of the side effects which you may experience from using it. There are several strengths of ditronol preparations. Start by applying a low-strength preparation such as 0.1% ditronol for a week and then increase the strength gradually over the next few weeks until the correct strength is found. Apply a thin layer of ditronol and rub it into psoriatic plaque gently. Apply it to the affected areas of skin only. It is important to avoid getting it on any healthy areas of your skin. This can be done by applying an ointment around the plaque before the application of ditronol. Short contact ditronol is leaving for no more than an hour and then washing it off in a shower or bath. More intensive treatment with ditronol involves leaving it on overnight under a dressing. Use it once a day only. Wash hands well after applying ditronol. Ditronol is not suitable for use on your face and flexures. Adverse effects of ditronol. It can cause skin erythema, itching, and burning sensation. Ditronol can stain your skin, hair, and clothing.